Hey there, friends. Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to keep your kidneys healthy and strong, especially as we get older? Maybe you've heard the word dialysis and felt a little uneasy, or perhaps you're just looking for ways to feel your best every day. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Senior Health 365, where we're all about practical, everyday tips to help you live a vibrant, healthy life. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important for those of us over 60: how to cleanse and protect your kidneys with one simple daily drink. Stick with me, because I'm going to share some game-changing advice that's easy to follow and could make a huge difference in how you feel. Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body. They're working around the clock, filtering out toxins, balancing your fluids, and keeping your blood pressure in check. But as we age, they can start to feel the wear and tear of life, kind of like how your favorite pair of shoes gets a little worn out after years of walking. The good news: you can give your kidneys some love with something as simple as a daily drink. And no, it's not some fancy, expensive potion. It's something you can whip up at home, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start with why this matters. Kidney issues can sneak up on you. Maybe you've noticed you're feeling a bit more tired than usual, or you're dealing with swelling in your ankles or hands. Those could be signs your kidneys need a little extra care. And here's the thing: taking care of them now can help you avoid bigger problems down the road, like dialysis, which is something none of us want to deal with. So, what's the secret? It's all about hydration, nutrition, and a few kidney-loving ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. First up, let's talk about the power of water with a twist: lemon water. Now, I know you've probably heard about lemon water before, but hear me out. This isn't just about sipping something refreshing. It's about giving your kidneys a daily cleanse. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which can help break down and prevent kidney stones, those pesky little things that can cause a lot of discomfort. Plus, lemon water keeps you hydrated, and hydration is like giving your kidneys a big, warm hug. When you're hydrated, your kidneys can flush out toxins more easily, keeping everything running smoothly. Here's a real-life example. My friend, Susan, who's 68, started drinking a glass of warm lemon water every morning about a year ago. She used to struggle with feeling sluggish, and her doctor warned her about early signs of kidney strain. Nothing serious yet, but enough to make her pay attention. She squeezed half a lemon into a glass of warm water and sipped it first thing in the morning. After a few weeks, she noticed she had more energy, and her doctor was thrilled at her next checkup because her kidney function looked better. It's such a small change, but it's like giving your kidneys a daily reset. Now, let's add another powerhouse to your daily drink: cucumber. Cucumbers are like nature's water bottles. They're full of water, antioxidants, and minerals that help reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation can put stress on your kidneys, so anything that calms it down is a win. Try slicing a few thin pieces of cucumber into your lemon water. It's refreshing, and it adds an extra layer of kidney protection. My neighbor Tom, who's 72, swears by this. He calls it his spa water, and he says it makes him feel like he's treating himself while doing something good for his health. Another fantastic ingredient to toss into your daily drink is a pinch of parsley. I know, parsley might sound like something you just sprinkle on your plate for decoration, but it's a kidney superhero. Parsley is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body flush out excess fluid and toxins. This can be a game changer if you're dealing with swelling or high blood pressure, both of which can strain your kidneys over time. You can chop up a small handful of fresh parsley and steep it in hot water with your lemon and cucumber for a few minutes. It's like a detox tea, but way easier and tastier than it sounds. Before we go any further, let me share a quick tip to make this part of your routine. Keep a pitcher in your fridge with water, lemon slices, cucumber slices, and a bit of parsley. It's ready to pour whenever you need it, and it feels like a treat. Plus, it's a great way to make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. I'll share more about how to make this drink taste amazing and fit into your busy life in just a moment, so keep watching. You're already on board with the idea of a simple daily drink, to give your kidneys some love, and I'm so excited to share more ways to make this work for you. We've talked about lemon water, cucumber, and parsley. Those are like the foundation of your kidney cleansing routine. Now, let's build on that with a few more ingredients and habits that can take your kidney health to the next level. These are easy, practical steps you can start today, and I promise they're not complicated. Let's dive in. One ingredient you'll want to add to your daily drink is a splash of cranberry juice, not the sugary stuff you find in most grocery stores, but pure unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries are like little guardians for your urinary system. They contain compounds that help prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract, which can reduce the risk of infections that might stress your kidneys. I remember chatting with my friend Linda, who's 65 and loves her morning walks. She started adding a tablespoon of pure cranberry juice to her lemon cucumber water, and she says it gives her drink a nice tart kick. More importantly, she hasn't had a urinary tract infection in over a year, which is huge for keeping her kidneys happy. Just a small splash is all you need. Think of it as a flavor boost with benefits. Now, let's talk about something you might not expect: ginger. A tiny bit of fresh ginger grated into your daily drink can do wonders. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, which is so important because inflammation can quietly put pressure on your kidneys over time. Plus, it helps with digestion, and when your gut is happy, your whole body, including your kidneys, works better. My cousin George, who's 70, was skeptical at first. He thought ginger would make his drink taste too spicy. But after grating just a teaspoon into his water, he was hooked. He says it gives him a little energy boost, and his doctor noticed his blood pressure was more stable at his last checkup. You don't need much, just a small piece, grated fresh. To get those kidney protecting benefits, another key piece of the puzzle is timing. When you drink your kidney cleansing mix matters. The best time is first thing in the morning, before you eat or drink anything else. Why? Because it kickstarts your hydration for the day and helps flush out any toxins that built up overnight. Think of it like giving your kidneys a fresh start every morning. If you're someone who forgets to drink water during the day, like my friend Margaret, who's always busy gardening, set a reminder on your phone or keep a pretty glass by your bedside to make it a habit. Margaret told me she started leaving a glass of her lemon cucumber parsley water on her nightstand, and now it's the first thing she reaches for when she wakes up. It's become her little morning ritual, and she feels so much better for it. Here's a quick tip to make this even easier. Prep your ingredients the night before. Slice up your lemon and cucumber, chop a bit of parsley, and keep a small piece of ginger ready to grate. Store them in a little container in the fridge, and in the morning, all you have to do is toss them into a glass of warm water with a splash of cranberry juice. It takes less than 2 minutes, and it's like giving yourself a gift every day. If you're worried about the taste, play around with the ratios. Maybe a little more lemon if you like it tangy, or an extra slice of cucumber for a milder flavor. Make it your own, because when you enjoy it, you're more likely to stick with it. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to sip water throughout the day, not just in the morning. Your kidneys thrive on consistent hydration. Carry a reusable water bottle with you, maybe one with a fun design that makes you smile. I know it sounds simple, but small habits like this add up to big results. We've got a few more tips to share to round out this kidney-loving routine, so stick with me. For the final stretch, we're in the home stretch now, and I'm so excited to wrap this up with some final tips to keep your kidneys healthy and strong. You've already got the foundation: lemon water, cucumber, parsley, a splash of cranberry juice, and a touch of ginger. These are like your kidneys' best friends, helping you cleanse and protect them every day. Now, let's add a couple more habits to make sure you're giving your kidneys everything they need to thrive. Plus, I'll share how to tie this all together into a routine that feels effortless and empowering. Let's do this. One thing you can add to your daily drink is a tiny pinch of turmeric. Now, I know turmeric sounds like something you'd find in a curry, but hear me out, it's a powerhouse for your kidneys. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce stress on your kidneys and protect them from damage over time. You only need a small amount, think a quarter of a teaspoon stirred into your morning drink. My friend Betty, who's 67 and loves her book club, started adding turmeric to her lemon cucumber mix. She was worried it'd taste strange, but she says it just adds a warm, earthy note. More importantly, she feels like her joints are less achy, and her doctor said her kidney markers looked great at her last visit. It's such a simple addition, but it's like a little insurance policy for your kidneys. Another key habit is watching your salt intake. Too much salt can raise your blood pressure, which puts extra strain on your kidneys. You don't have to cut it out completely, let's be real. A little salt makes food taste amazing, but try to be mindful. For example, instead of reaching for the salt shaker, sprinkle some fresh herbs like basil or rosemary on your meals. My neighbor John, who's 71, used to love his salty snacks. But he started swapping them for unsalted nuts and fresh veggies with his kidney cleansing drink. He told me he feels lighter and more energized, and his blood pressure is finally in a range his doctor is happy with. Pairing this with your daily drink is like a 1-2 punch for kidney health. Now, let's talk about consistency. The magic of this daily drink isn't just in the ingredients, it's in making it a habit. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's something you do every day because you know it keeps you healthy. To make it fun, try using a special glass or mug that makes you smile, maybe one your grandkids gave you, or one you picked up on a trip. Little things like that make the routine feel special. And if you're someone who's always on the go, like my friend Clara, who's 69 and loves her senior yoga classes, keep a small bottle of your kidney drink in your bag. It's a reminder to stay hydrated and take care of yourself, no matter where the day takes you. So here's the big picture. Every morning, you're sipping on a glass of warm water with lemon, cucumber, parsley, a splash of cranberry juice, a pinch of ginger, and a touch of turmeric. It's like a love letter to your kidneys, helping them flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and stay strong. Throughout the day, you're keeping hydrated, being mindful of salt, and maybe even enjoying some fresh herbs to keep things flavorful. These small steps add up, and they're all about helping you feel your best so you can keep doing the things you love, whether that's gardening, playing with your grandkids, or just enjoying a sunny afternoon. I want you to feel empowered, to take charge of your health, because you deserve to feel vibrant and strong at any age. So, give this kidney cleansing drink a try tomorrow morning. Start small, see how it feels, and let it become your new favorite habit. If you love this tip and want more ways to stay healthy and energized, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and let me know what you're adding to your kidney drink. Maybe you've got a favorite ingredient I haven't mentioned. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health 365. We're here with new tips every week to help you live your best life. Here's to healthy kidneys and feeling amazing every day. I'll see you in the next video.